That is okay. Both of my parents are pastors.
Can you imagine? Wow. Let's start. Yeah. Both of her parents are pastors. Stani alumba nnyo. Babasu.
Pike.
Pike bebachi.
Pastors kid.
Teachers kids.
Baita pike. Pike
Teba
nali manyi.
chewing gum.
Ebinawafa. Abantu bachoka.
Somero byalingamu nga bagamba yo pike nga bategera pastors kid. Naye nga babeera rowdy.
So, engeri Bulle gye yeewandiisa okwetebwa Black.
Ye mama.
Buli wagenda nga atandika okugamba bannange for us we have black marble rings.
Right, but it looks very beautiful.
Yeah, but for his is actually plain black. Yes.
That's what he wanted.
Yes.
So his favorite color is black.
Yes. He's actually a person who says I would rather nze nina t-shirts za Bulle nga 10 zona za black, and I'm like, people will start saying that you keep repeating t-shirts. Naye nga ayagala nnyo that kind of whatever. We have over 10 plus t-shirts but only black.
Only black. Eh? Let me ask, rings, rings, there's a black. Why did you choose black, not silver, not gold?
It's actually me who came up with the idea of the black rings. He wanted the black thing, but you know, the black ring, and it looked unique to me, and I'm like, yeah. But myself, I didn't want a black ring. But we chose rings when we are time bad. So ngate ye already available. So katinzate nyine ring jana njagala etule ko my very nice engagement ring ngate yakola because chokanga tubulayo 1 week. So I also said, okay, Kastana ya in a black, let me also get black.
So, Gabriel Bulle even proposed. Oh my God.
Dinner.
Ujala Bulle. You know, like natula, then
but don't end up show number.
Natula nengama. Oba bansuneko ngana membaga. Single concessa yali Bulle kumugamba fukamira.
Pastor Ngatsabira. I think that is the video you had to record.
That one, it was for World Cup, but I knew I would never Bulle. But why did you have to do that? But Bulle,
no, it was just sweet. But he does kneel so many times. I feel like people don't know that Bulle home.
Yes. Oh.
It is just that man even like us over, and even sometimes like even when the kids are around, sometimes there's a day he knelt down and said, "Mommy, I'm sorry," when the kids are even there. Like he does, it's not news.
Really?
No. Life home is serious life.
So for us, when we saw him kneel, I was like, okay, I don't see Bulle kneeling.
Oh my God.
So it was normal.
It was not even news to me.
Because I saw you were so calm. Gola Bulle kamera.
He does a lot of it.
The sound is not. The sound is distorting. I'm not. Njulira. The sound is not.
Mulina loud.
Oh, that is good. That's it. So kumbulire. Tukoze tutya.
Kucha.
Then the gala story, because I hear you have an inspiring story.
No, kugamba.
Waliwo yangambe kugamba. Like inspire me. Not even me. There's a girl out there nga yagala kubeera inspired. But you toward the relationships in the zigana, you feel like you're heading somewhere and then got to be taken. Do you know these things of like only relationship never gamba? No buza, what are we doing? Who are we? Put a title on this. Nengo ito sana kuwa title. Never kulemelako. So the journey. They take a complicated man.
To us you are complicated.
Hashtag marriage is a scam.
Oh God.
Marriage is a scam, you know?
Oh yeah, but okumu breaking atachiba changu.
Yeah.
Journey yali etya, how long did you date for? Between masanga mwe bihadozi kuba nchimanyi wa
tebisobola kubulamu, but also
yes,
it has reminded me of today's Daily Monitor when mbadde njisoma Mwami Bulle yakola story nga sigimanyi, but all he wrote down was right, because for him he's a good writer and ye muntu aterabira. So
Mm.
we first cohabited for 3 years.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, we first cohabited for 3 years with a lot of ups and downs because it became too hard for me at first to adjust to Mwami Bule as for him.
Yeah.
But one thing I appreciate at the end of the day, nekyeyongera okundaga nti marriage means sacrifice. Kubanga I have seen him toned down to his list. And I have also seen myself in a position where I'm like, because of my husband. And I have also seen him moving into byembadde sisuubira nti asobola okubikola kulw'okubanga nze. Gabriel's father passed on.
Yeah.
So, you know, Baganda, they had to be Lumbe. Tichirotangana nti Bule can say Lumbe can stop and I marry my wife. Can pause. His family, some of his family members, they were like, but what? But Omuchala, he was like, I am going to marry my wife. And I know my father down in the grave is happy that I'm marrying Joan. And I don't think anything about Lumbe and what will make my father feel sad. I am making a decision as a man to marry my wife. The rest was just background noise. At one point I was like, no, tomorrow is going to say the other statement now. Because it was more, because I'm like, no, not even that. But waking up to say that, but John, I feel like I should wait until Olumbe ngalumaze kugwa. He said, nothing will stop me. Nothing. And I looked at him and I'm just waiting for that day for him to wake up and say, but Joan, I'm thinking my father's Lumbe should first get done. But he just woke up just like that and said, I have to do this for my wife. Because at one point he said, what if it takes forever?
Yes.
What if it takes forever? I need to commit. And I also believe that sometimes ebiseera webanga bituusa abaganda bye bayita ebiro, when the season is right, things eventually happen. Because there are times, because for him he's outspoken, like, you know, who'd say echone wemba mbuse malalo gani, and I'm like, my man. But for me, one thing I can say that really had to drive things the way they are, I totally submitted. Na necholabanga ekyobusiru ngamba esebo nga kinnuma naye nenzikiriza. I totally, you know.
Nawe nolabika nga atali mwangu.
No, I don't know if I'm too principled, but ebintu ebiri family oriented, I take them too serious. Sagala muntu azanyira mu kigambo family. So therefore him, he knows, like, if this is not marriage thing, then we are not here. I was just straight up to that.
Kati wachingiramu nga since your principle wachingiramu no settinga n'ogamba nti kati nze mu myaka 2-3 n'okuba nga ndi married obago.
No. Nayingira with an open mind. Kuba nali ntegedde omuntu nga mwagala, naye ekintu ekyasinga okunkumira mu relationship eyo, omusajja oyo anjagala nnyo. Kati nga ne bwe mbeera nga nze agamba nti, but people are saying he's a Catholic, my parents are not in, my mother eventually jumped on it. Then I'm like, naye nfaaki ng'olaba strugglinga nnyo kisika ate mwami mukambwe, and I'm like, naye ng'ajja kunoonya kati nzako kokka nze, my mother told me, Joan, you only stay where you are loved. Ekyo ne kinsigala mu bwongo, oba tofuddeeyo kunnoonya tonjagala. There is even a time we had very bad misunderstandings. That man n'ateeka buli kitiibwa kye ku ttaka n'asalawo aswale. And he called my mom when he's crying, like, I need my wife back. That moved my mother. Era mama wange ku Bule toyina kyoyogera. Actually, that is one thing that is giving me too much strength. You're not saying anything. Actually, she gave a speech about long hours. She agamba, buli muzadde essanyu lye kugenda magombe ng'omwana we alina w'atudde. For her, that makes a lot of sense. For us, I am coming from a monogamous family. So, nti newe biba biganye nwana nnyo ndabe nga at least era nkomawo mu kkubo. Family makes too much sense to me than any other thing.
So if one is not loved,
so nze buli we twafunanga misunderstandings biki olaba mukambwe, but before me he will compose himself like he would but Joanne this that but eventually akomawo nagamba kale but mami we need to talk about this.
When is the best time to talk?
The best time to talk
mubufumbo kale nga esaawa eyo musula ne mugamba nkeera.
Kat, we are two different personalities. I am one person tetwebaka nga tekiwedde. He's one person we can always sleep over it. We got a mature ground for that.
Yes.
Bwe mulaba nga ali hyper nga byogera nga biggwayo bw'alaba tomufuddeeko, he hates being ignored. He will come and look for you. And he says, now, there is a scenario that happened yesterday but one. My in-law, Muradde Nyonyonya abali Kamuli. Kat, she's one of my very, very much tight in-laws. So I said, when I tell Mami Bule that I am driving to Kamuli, he's going to tell me it's a long distance. I said no. I went. Then, because I was coordinating with some of my in-laws, so they were like, Ngantobagamba ntisigambye sisabye Mwami Bule.
Bakwanange obaito gamba muita bingabe. Tetusabe Mwami Bule.
Nebagamba sisabye Mwami Bule. But one of my in-laws nagamba gwegenda tugenda mugamba ogenze Chimabeka because my in-law Muradde Nyonyo even as I speak ali waka.
Yes.
Kuba I finally succeeded, but let me get to that.
Yeah.
Mvuge motoka yesterday but one mpaka Kayunga. Tuke Kayunga Mwami Bule ngakuba nganzira bangaseka zabantu nanga awenji kwa because oba omanyi omuntu.
Yes.
Joanne wananga but chichenyo kanji kwate. Joanne, where are you? Orubamazo mugamba nti Joanne adduse Kayunga Chimabeka. Because me, when I love someone, I will die for them until I see them in a better place. Ntuke Kayunga mwende njagala ndikuluga Kamuli Road. Mami Bule nangamba wembanze yakuwasa. Nicho sojide Kampala nsaba. But you people, I fought with myself. I couldn't just believe. In my heart, I'm like, but ono sina muganda wange muganda we. Natandika kuyamba. Nasako kusema mugamba na yena. But mani nga na ye Joanne. Did you get married to rule yourself? You know how far Kayunga is?
Yes, Kayunga
I just turned back to home.
In the middle of the journey?
Yes, please. Nentuka ne mugamba, okay, kangende, nememujjayo, mulabeko bulabi. Ngambuli omutima gwagala mutu nakoba ngambye ali bubi. Mwami Bule yangamba, Joa, am I your husband? Yes. Sigenda kugenda nayo kusimu ebisinga tubyogerere ewaka. What did it take for you to ask me that you're going in Kamuli? Nensirika? Naye nga tewaba muntu akulimba nti submission comes easy. Tewaba olwanagana nakyo paka bwokonvisinga omutima gwo nti linda kundabika nkola kikyamu. Then my sister-in-law called me nangamba. But he called my sister-in-law. He called my mother-in-law. He called my sister-in-law. Mukubira Joanne adde waka. He called my mother-in-law. Joanne mugambe mwagala waka. My mother-in-law called me nangamba Joanne tewamusabye. Konze mama otimanyi ebiki bitisa. Joanne dayo. Nemujjako mu mutima ngamba abandeke. Naye but after parking ebbali awo mu roundabout nangamba naye this guy married me.
Ngonusa ku roundabout.
Ake Kayunga. Nganyingidde Kayunga. Ngamba this man married me. Naye I drove back from Kayunga to Kampala. Ngana maziga gampitamu ku steering ngankoye. Nenga chinkabya nti nekyenjagadde okola ki. But nengamba my in-law nerera Mwami Bule uno tagenda chikiriza ngana mungamba bichi. But nentuka wakanengamba but why nako wentalo na Diane kati namuulira ku gate mulira ku gate ng'agikuba nenefule yeebase nenziza charger mu simu mbadde ku TikTok awo nenziza charger mu simu neneebika ngampulira I was waiting for him to come back so that I pour out my heart gwe no koma kayunga bichi but when he came we yakoma najja banange mwami bula ina poison mukamwa watandika okwogera nga ina wayagala akuteeka okkakkana najja mu kisenge mami are you okay? Yeah, just poured water on me. Are you okay? Are you sick? Do we need to see that doctor? And I'm like, but mommy Bule, what are you trying to cover?
Right?
What are you trying to cover? No, please, wayogera watono nakuiwaka era mwami Bule baba yaziza omusango kasita kuyita mami abakumaze. Mami omanya kati awali story kubanze manyi story codes zize kati ne bwaba takyogedde nti I'm sorry.
So it takes somebody to understand.
Yes, kati ndowooza akoze eki akakanyi. Kati bwe twamaze n'amaani agamba come and we watch TV. I'm not a TV person naye kati ayagala kulaga nti nkwetaaga around me. Okay, when he comes back I just moved out and served him food. I don't leave him to eat food alone. I accompany him. But then when he was eating food, I accompanied him newaba asanze tumaze okulya. Nentuulaawo ne tunyumya nga bw'alya sapa.
Nani abikuyigiriza? Lwakubanga I don't see people abalaba bagenda ne beebaka.
I know, I've been knowing that. Kati I accompany him n'alya. Bwe yamala okulya, I mean, tamulinda kulya kolo. Ne mugamba, ne sikiraga nti ndina obusungu. Ne mugamba, I feel sleepy. I want to rest. Nangamba nedda mami tuulaawo. Namaliriza okulya nga ntaddeko cartoons z'abaana. Gabriel is a fan of watching cartoons, by the way. Ngali awo nayita abaana ne balaba cartoons. He watches too many cartoons at home. So nentuula naye ng'omanyi ojjudde. You're just waiting for that moment for him to insinuate it. Then you also, but already ngangambye kansirike. Cut after namanya nti Joan tali happy. Nangamba Joan, sorry about today, but I had to do it. No explanation.
Just that.
Kati my in-laws went there that night when they told me to turn back. Then in the night, my in-law namukubira mwami Bule tusaba otukkirize Joan yatuchime. Era Joe when navuze ne ngende ekayunga on his orders. Okugenda ekamuli. Era nasimbudde waka ssaawa 2 kitundu. Natuuse ekamuli navugidde ndowooza mu speed 140. Natuuse ekamuli ssaawa 5.
Eyo submission oba kufuga.
Nze to me, buli omu akitwala bulala. To me it is submission. Why? Wofunira ekizibu mu kkubo. Omusajja akwasizza obuvunaanyizibwa bwonna buba mu mikono gye. Anything can happen. Kirala kati he's like now my father. Bwemba mujemedde mbanga ajemedde kitange. That's why your father walks you down the aisle to hand over responsibilities. Kati obuvunaanyizibwa kitange yabuwaayo mu mikono gye. If I do anything contrary, I have disobeyed my father.
I get it.
I have. So ebyo ebintu ate biba n'ebisiraani nti somehow ogenda olaba ofunyidde n'obuzibu mu kkubo. Ate Gabriel alina instincts. Somehow when you find yourself in a funny place, olaba ne waneno kyombuuzizaawo maze ne muteerako message. Maze ne nkyeko ne ngamba, okay, let him say that I've communicated late. Okitegeera, but he knows where I am.
Yes.
Kubanga you can always find yourself in a funny position.
I have a friend of mine, ali bweru. But era ayagala mukyala we bw'afiirwa amugambe kati ngenzeeko okuziika. In case akuba essimu, kyokka ye ali bweru. Bw'akuba essimu agikwata amugambe, oli mu kuziika oba wafiiriddwa oba ngenzeeko ewa neighbor. So I was wondering. Binna,
let me tell you one thing that happens with these commitments of marriage. There are things I didn't do then when Gabriel had not yet married me. Because situation jemba demu ne Gabriel enkera kumakyakera nawaasa omuntu omulala. Luli. City sure sharing the bed doesn't give you guarantee that this person is my husband.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
I thought this is a bond.
Oh,
private parts meeting.
Mukwano senga twakafumbirwa bameka.
Private parts teziyamba.
You get?
Yes.
You literally staying with a roommate. Akuwe essanyu gwe mwewa company mwenna temutya mu nnyumba.
Nzikiza Daniela ne Chameleone yamuyise Rumi.
Your retired wife, Musoko Mreke. But me, I love her thing. I love it, and I know where she's coming from, and I appreciate that she's coming out. China bachigendo tereza. Buli kijja kijja n'ekyacho. Buli omu kimuleka mulani kireka be omuyaga bwe gujja gwina bye gusuula n'abafuna enkuba ne bagifuna. Bulungi nnyo.
When sorry, Jonyumiza, I understand submission and everything. Communication is not how. Like I'm supposed to ask you before I go. Do I just communicate?
That is how.
Wogana meaning I stay humble. Ngambe why?
Ebintu bingi, even when we had not yet committed. Mami Bula is no is a no.
Hey.
Wenza no boy yambadde bwoti nagamba Joan togenda. Munango olusi Katonda aboogereramu. Yes, go back and change. So many times it happens to me. Joan, where are you going? I'm going here. That dress code doesn't fit for where you are going. Atolu swo ebisebe kimvera onnyo lisesinga wobo tambula naye ayine engoye ze ziri specific ze mmanyi zayagala ngamanyi kano wenkamwambalira akaagala era bwe tuba tugenda mu kifonga oba agenda meeting amikono gye nga most times tutambula nnyo ffenna agamba Joan edda ojjukira kali ka dress koba oyambala but because at the end of the day I'm dressing for him wakimbangana.
So to dressing it akulabika bulungi nga balaba.
But me, I am impressing my husband buli omu ayina ekice.
Yes.
Buli omu ayina ekice because that's why being a scripture ya marriage tejja kola wange.
Onkutegeera.
Okitegeera. Ojja kungamba Bina me as Bina or me as Dodo, it's about me. But I tell you me as Joan, it's about my husband, and that's the truth.
Wow. Because
me, I hate sadness. Yeah? I don't want him to look at me and say, Karola banakugambye, what? But it's about him. Unless he's not home, then I can always make my own choices.
Because men were complaining to Ambalide Kubo and then we don't dress for them. So when you dress for your man, that is...
There is a day some time ago. We were coming somewhere actually with Jerry. Then, Mami Bule bamuzaala ochanja. Then, ye muntu akubawo programs. I was like, tugende tulabe kuba mama. I was in a trouser, tuva mu kyalo. Then I told Mami Bule, but wait a minute. Mami Bule n'agamba, era bwetwali n'agamba Joan, nze nkugambye. Bwetwatuuka mu ddiiro, n'afuna engeri gy'akinyigamu ekiboozi. Oyo nno abadde ayagala asigala mu mmotoka, nze mugambye ajjire mu mpale. Amaze okukavaringira. Awo netandika okubeera comfortable bulungi naye yandaba nga nze natandise okwewalawala bwenti. Sotano maama, njagala kwewozaawozako munne. Nagamba oyo nno abadde agenda asigala mu mmotoka. Ate lwaki? Anti ali mu mpale. Namugamba oli mama wange talina buzibu. Nankubira ekiraka. Kati for him he will always find a way to figure it out. As a man. Naye kati olaba Bina ebyo by'okuwaliriza n'ogamba anfuga atya. Bina enyombo tezigwa mu maka. Kubanga those are the very small things that pour down relationships and marriages. Olowooza ebintu ebimenya obufumbo binene. Obwo ng'avaawo ng'aguzinga gwo ogugamba omukazi tampuliriza. Ng'aguteekako ogwo omugambo gwonna. Because of kubanga obwo obuntu obutono. Nga kuba omugambo. Ate lwaki Dodo? Ate everyone, no, everyone. But your husband cannot be Mami Bule, Dodo.
I understand. But you know how men,
I have a friend.
Do you know how men want to be respected? Most guys, I think
all men want their respect.
Thank you.
That's one thing I know.
That's what I'm saying. That for you, like, do you accept? Because sometimes baby do you believe in like first courting before you tie the knot?
I believe in it because with Mami Bule nasoka nengamba tata wange. My parents are pastors. They were chikiriza.
Pastor's kid.
Hey, pastor's kid, I'm also in shock.
I have my ugly past. So I told my father, but daddy, kansoka mbere yoko. Kansoka mbere yoko. Ate na mwami mbule nga mukambwe. Kansoka mbere yoko.
Olaba oba omalako.
Naye ye musajja omukambwe naye ate ayagala family ye. Naye kati eyo face gyateekako agiteekako for protection. Kuziiza kamanyiiro. Okitegeera. But when he's home, nze baneezi munnamunyi n'ekintu ekyansesa. Mwami Bula alina contradictional posts z'akola ku Twitter. I laugh at some people that take him serious.
Like he is, just being dramatic, that's all.
Actually, me, at this point, I got tired of explaining myself. Because me, I know the person I have. I know his weaknesses. I know where his strength is. I know what he can do. I know what he cannot do. So, you say your husband said this about born agains. Haram. Mwami Bule wasanga pastor nga bi. Ajagamba pastor ya bie. Mwami Bule wasanga father nga yebase kumuwala. Ajagamba father yebase kumuwala. It's not about anyone's faith. Bwasanga omusiraamu nga alidde embizi girire ddala. Ajagamba yalidde embizi namulengedde ku muzikiti bweguti. Kakati, that is one thing people are failing to understand.
Yeah.
Kwanga lately wabadde werezo gundi pastor's what you married a pastor's wife are there a child ate what guys, the relationship or marriage is beyond those petty things you're all putting out.
Religion is
I have ever seen people speak in tongues and they are rubbish in their families.
I know, right?
They are totally rubbish in their families. Twino mvubuko omwawo yali asabise ku church je sijja kwogera. Kamba, you're dating someone, don't even kiss, don't even do what? It has to be sex after marriage. What? He left a very beautiful wife and children in the house. He's with another woman, they're giving birth. Banange mutuleke.
Babaleke.
Mutuleke, like live your life. In a perfect life. Thank God. For now, we all want to end up in a better place.
Yes.
You see? If Bina has got a Muslim person,
Leave her.
ngawulira amuwe emirembe. Gwa amaziga ga Bina togenda gabaamu.
Kutegeera.
Nze nzikiririza nnyo mu muntu akusa omutima gwe. Nze abalamuzi nabayitako, baloya ne mbayitamu mbasiibamu. But doctor, talk about professions that I want to balabanga ebyakabi. I gave my heart what it wanted. Nice. And I am okay.
Right.
Oba tuvuga kamotoka kakadde, oba tucheyiya. Nze n'omutima nagulisa kye gwagala. Kati nze ndi musanyufu. Aftermath tunamulaba ate nga naye azze. Sigenda kubeerawo ntandike kutebereza future naabe tetemu stressing.
I don't know what's on them.
No, I'm being honest.
Can't
go with the binance and nothing and come depression because of people's thoughts. Until I healed out of it, in the situation people pleaser. The situation people pleaser. The Narinko Zekora, now they have said, Bule said this. Then no.
Because now?
Because Bule is not yet to stop.
So you know he won't stop.
He's not yet to stop. And I'm not going to tell him, honey, pull down that post. He's a man in my life, however stupid you see him. Or your mommy want.
So do you look at the comments?
Bina, we tegereza bulungi social za Bule. Mirundi amekaje wako comments zange. That's not my business. My business is in the house.
So when we call you and we say, do you know what your man has posted?
Sometimes I just go and say, what are they saying? And I check it out. Ngambade na sichimanyi na chimanyi.
No, now come on regular, you don't talk about
I
it.
don't talk. That is not my business. I know my lane. Namusanga mirimu gyagikola. Arwanirira ddembe ly'abantu. That is his.
So wakomawo nga you're like, abera akomyewo waka.
Buli omu bw'ayingira gate n'oluggi oluyingira ewaka. byakolera bikomeeri. Byakolera bikomeeri.
Teri kundetera lugambo. I love that.
Kati stress go stress mwami bule jaita moji manyi na abantu. Me I can't handle. I have a chicken heart. I'm being honest, nze. Engeri janyina chicken heart, I put myself away from.
So let me also ask, Kati, tell me, how do we get them to propose? Go what's Asula or the person, or we are supposed to keep or value until Rakera Kumachana Kugamba nti here is the ring.
Actually, nze leka mbabuulire bino ebintu tebiriimu simanga yawoomye. Tebiriimu simanyanga yabadde bwati simanga alabika alina empisa nnyingi. You people, marriage is a choice someone wakes up and makes.
So it's not about
tekiriimu amanyi kufumba mpombo. No way, that is all rubbish. Actually ebintu ebikulu mu bufumbo birala na nnyo sebyo.
Ebyokuwoma obijjeeyo.
Let me tell you, Dodo, zezo struggles abakazi sizibeerangamu. I'm telling you, because I'm not going to start the second bisobola. Simply what I can't manage, I won't start.
Right?
Nze nsobola otuula ne ngenda ku office yange ne nkola ssente. Bye nsobola mbimanyi. Bye sigenda. Waliwo abatugamba ne weewunzika. So it's about you understanding your partner, even your partner understanding you. To me, it is what really makes sense.
So these are the ones we know kweyerusa simanya wekola batya.
Nze Joan mwami bula laba bakazi bangi.
True.
Nnyo. Ate katika fame ako kali nako kamu exposing ako bintu bingi. Why me? I'm not so beautiful. Exactly. Saja huyo mugogo. Muwanvu.
Ye mama.
Lwakuba kati yafunyemu poti be. Na ye is a I don't run after him. I only call when I must call. Ebyo byawalidde lunch nze sina kajanja ako. No.
That's your man.
But they say that
no, let it come from him.
Yalina kukubira na.
Chobera ngambe buli omwe ina gundi script ye.
Nina buli omwe script.
Buli omwe ina script ye. Nze I feel like that era abantu bagamba naye waliwo yangamba bananga yo too lucky bananga this guy over talks about you. He has to. Ndi mukyala we.
Right.
Waliwo n'abagamba nze sijja kwogera ku mukyala wange naye bw'atyo bw'akyagala. Buli omu alina script eyiye. N'ate tekitegeeza nti naye takwagala. Everyone expresses love in a totally different way. Kubanga yalina providing. Ekyajja kimbuuza nga yazimpadde obanga mbuuza zisindika. Otherwise to meeting ewaka. Oba wano ku National Theatre we mujja oluusi ebiseera ebisinga because we usually go back home together.
That's a good one. Oba yazikuwadde sente akubuuze.
Otherwise twesanga ewaka kubitugatta ku mmeeza.
Abantu babeereyo.
Nze ekintu kyenjize Bina ne Dodo is never to stress about marriage. Take each day as it comes. Buli ogamba kino kiri bikulema bino ebintu bannange. We still have so many years with these people. Kugamba otuuka n'emyaka 5 ng'omugugu gukutta mu kifuba. Nze Joan sooza ngoye. Ky'omwami Bule nakimugambirawo. Sooza okujjako nnina engoye z'enjoza eziri special ezo z'enjoza ezirala sooza. That man loved me for who I am, not because of my energy. I signed that. Ndi mukazi munafu obwongo bwange busobola kulowooza. Ye, ate kinfuula mukazi mubi. It doesn't tekinkomya kubeera wife material.
I think I'm understanding what you're saying. We pretend a lot.
Exactly. Tuwa abasajja bye tutali. Bulungi nnyo. Nze nyina ebintu byonna specifyinga. Bedroom mulimu gwange, kyeggulo kya mwami mulimu gwange. inawe yazza omwami mulimu gwange byayambala ogenda okukola biki that is my work. My husband engatto ziyulise yeetaaga engatto biki byayambadde kikyene waawunya, that is me. Assignments zange nazeewa zimmala. Bw'oba oyanga tozijjaamu sigenda kugwa mu bbaafu yangoye esatu nkukakasa nti mmanyi okukola. Sigenda bisobola. Nedda bina. Sigenda bisobola. Sikisobola ate nze kankuba ekyo kyatandikirawo from the day we started dating.
Nategeera. At least wamugamba my strength. Eri wana I can cook for you.
Ogenda okukola house chores. Abantu okumanya tukola emirimu. Kati gwate olimo tugamba nti ata.
Nze ngombe byensobola. Nsobola okudda ku nnyumba nenjisiimuula. Nsobola okutegekera omwami wange kyalya. Actually, mwami Bule mu bigambo byanjogeddeko alina credit gyatampanga. Abakyala abasinga omwami enjala webeemuluma, they can take years to make food ready. But mwami Bule in less than 30 minutes newe mba nakatandika kufumba abaalya. I have speed in cooking. In less than 30. Nze wenkwata ku kintu netandika kikola naddala okufumba nyangu amangu. Because I know him is not patient. Oyiga omuntu wo. Enjala bwe muluma. Kasite muluma ogenda mulanga ayingidde ekiyungu. Nga wotandise osikaasikawo bw'alyako. Because we live a free life, why not?
Yes.
I get it.
So this pretense is what also
Hey,
makes us
bikakumere, Bina.
After the
so that means chota so what chitandika.
Joe, my in-laws were home because of my sick in. Amavivi gonna yagafunye mbitibwa. Tinofukamira mulamu wange wali biki.
Bali wano.
Fukamira obiki.
Yes.
No mulya. Honey, like a treatment today. Because it's because my in-laws were around. No, because of course mwekitiibwa mwami wange sina mulala. But sagala kimumanyiza nti nja fukamira buli lunaku naye lwe nsobodde ofukamira era nfukamira ate nkikola kuva ku mutima okusinga ofukamira nga bwe mukongoola. Mfukamira namugamba naye era most times I surprise him. Honey, how are you? Wakomyawo ku mulimu bibadde bitya? Besides that nga nekyofukamira kiri awo as I must every day. Engato z'omwami wange nzigiramu ku mulyango ne stocks. I remove his shoes as stockings every day as I must. Unless ayingidde siriiwo. But era engato aba azeggyemu n'atula mu ddiiro najja nagamba nyamba konziggyemu ku stocks. Nozimugyamu. Ate nze lwaki nakyembracing nga nenkyagala. Bw'otazimugyamu ojja gisanga mu kiyungu okugulu okumu. Okulaba osanga mu kisenge ky'abaana. Stocks peya 2 z'obadde nazo kuna musigaza peya 9, 2, 3. Olala otandika kunoonya nga ki tezikyawera. Kati nze nakyembracing ate nenkyagala bwagazi.
So mujjenga mwengato ne socks.
I like it. Kuba kati nze sina musajja mulala.
Katono bwabanyize nga tuli mu lusirika. Wabanyize nga tuli mu lusirika nyinzo jijjamu nga bwenkolola bwe
lusirika.
Ne mulaga nti buli bwo jijjamu.
Kyenkugambye nti si. Dodo, what I'm telling you. Dodo, what I'm telling you. Kyekino. Sitteeka.
Sikatala.
Naye nkikoze nkikola nnyo kubanga nze nkyagala. Nti nkifunamu at the end of the day because now I'm his wife. Nyina ebintu byemba newalanga nze. Kubanga era ogenda sanga nga ye atadde ki ye bwatyo. Wayagala.
Even chosen blood yatugamba. It's a guy thing. Ne bw'onoteekawo waliteekawo socks. Noteekako ekigambo wano ewabeera socks n'omuleeta ajazisuula.
Nze nayimbira laundry basket mpaka bwe nakivaako.
Nofuna solution.
Bule. Even in that bedroom, me tell him, Bule, that laundry basket is there. You find his shirt ng'agigyemu n'agiwanika wali oba ku luggi. Naye nga basket emuli awo. Ng'ebadde nakumpi n'okusinga gy'agitadde. Can't you just make peace with some things? N'ogamba, at the end of the day, this is my husband.
Wow.
So, obutono tebukulya obukola ne kiyita.
Kati nene ekirala. I also wanted to ask Banana, because bobera nga mujja na mwana, how do you trust this person with your son? Oba n'omwana oba ne bakikola batya, because most people babeera n'abaana ogenda okulaba ate ne mwawukana ate n'omwana
kati kankubuulire ffenna saidi zonna zajja n'abaana. Mwami Bule yajja n'omwana abaana najja n'omwana. Naye bino ebintu you sit and you sit by the way si kyangu. But you sit and master some things. Nze, from my past relationship, daddy omwana wange gwe yakaddamu okulaba ye Mwami Bule. But doesn't mean that Mwami Bule mwe space yeka gwe mbadde gwe nali ndeetinzeeko. But abakyala bayige ekisooka okwesiga instincts zaabwe. Naye n'okuintroducingira Mwami Bule Jason, it took me time. I didn't rush. But oh, this is now your daddy. No. Ne Mwami Bule ya taking a time ye. Mu time entuufu nagenda omukulaba nga abagamba this is your mom. Mu time ye nga simusabye namusaba nti abaana mba meeting addi biki. Era omwana omukulu tubeera naye.
So mu time ye.
So these two we staying with Audrian and Jason. Bona baana bange. But gundi yetu yasooka naye mwenyini ndowooza yatuuka na building a trust nga ye. Anyway, before even we committed, that is a bold step. Sebo ngo mutanabana kuwasa. But I think at the end of the day we all trusted each other and we are like, I mean,
I hope you want to be, we've heard about stepmothers who are...
Nekankubuulire ekintu kyenjize mu being a stepmother. I've been a stepmother for 3 years. It's okay njize nti si buli stepmother mubi. Some people create bad stepmothers.
Some people create bad stepmothers.
Yes. Ekyo nkiyize. Nti abaana bano abamu.
Yes.
Asobola okulemesa. Okulemesa okumwagala nga bw'olina omwagala. Naddala abaana b'osanze nga bakuluko. Olaba stage y'omwana wange oyo Jason. Nyangu nnyo omuto gwamuwa direction. Era kasita akomawo Jason, yes daddy, kali innocent. Naye bano b'osanze nga bakulu bo mu abamanyi maama we yalina obbeerawo. Aba ategeera aba si muto. But ate tomudinayinga right here innocence. Nti akyali alina byatannakola ki? Byatannategeera byajja otegeera with time. Naye nekyesigidde ddala okuyiga. Nze nto omutima because me when I love, I love. I looked at this beautiful girl, very innocent, and I said, what if it was me? And I loved her. I visit her. I do shopping for her. Jason byakozesa byakozesa. Kyetulyako nenga tezange muwala wange oyo twambala ekigere kyekimu. My shoe racker is there. Liko over how many pairs I don't know. When she comes, mami engato yange yakutuse nganzija nga mnondera muzange. She asks sikujja buzine ye makula. So, ina direction. Jwaba bamusanze bamuteekamu. Nga tegwe oyagala omuzze muyiyo. Kati nakyo eyo process yetaga patience. Tisikuze naye. You've not been part of the foundation. So you have to be patient with the bumpy things that are coming through, but it doesn't mean that they're bad children. But only that tobadde mu bulamu bwabwe. So you prepare them for what you want them to be. Ate nze
babamu temuboonoona boonoonyi, you don't discipline them bwe bagamba.
Okuduba disciplining. Sisobola mukuba. I'll discipline by saying this is not right. I think when ndabanga disciplining yetaagisa nge mundu nzikiruso watata w'abaana. Ne bw'aba akuba Jason lwakwata mukubangako. Situnulayo. Let him discipline, not me. I would discipline with my mouth. Nechala abasinga tuli bazadde baffe kye batulaze nze nkuze mama wange disciplining samumwa nabisapatu kati my mother ye osanga tayise mujane jempiseemu kati nze mujane jempiseemu nja disciplining samumwa kigwe ekintu kyonna kyonna wanyingiramu wokka mwami bula manyi ane waliwo wakuba omwana n'owulira ngo mmemme bagitwala n'omuga taata nedda wamala abana bebakola ensobi jowani ongana okuba abana but that is because I've also seen my mom do that. My mother has always protected us nga bitutwala protecting yes, so my mother has always protected us nga bitutwala bananga banale biki kati nange ekyo kyenkola kuba nakiraba my mother shielded us kuba tata affe yalinga akubisa waya n'owulira ng'olaama omugamba daddy
please
asibawo ekisenge bwati
kati today they read a story ku radio phone ne bagamba nti no ate bagamba mental health yeyongedde mu bakazi abafumbo. What advice would you want to
nga sinaba kuwa advise ekisooka eki mental health okwongera mu bakazi abasinga obufumbo abamu bagamba njagala kuuma mpeta ekitiibwa kino kikuuma ekyamazima kireetedde nnyo abakazi obuzibu nti banawulira batya nti nano bewamwami gundi kati bino abaana bebatuthreateninga ku social media bibya it will end in tears ebyo kati nze lately I developed also a hard heart naye nange olusi byankubanga nukama naye oba kina ending in tears but until you say come what may kati mental health eyo okweyongera women are stomaching too much ngaba ate tebalina space to talk.
I thought it's only remained that
ndabye Zubeda yatandiseewo ekyo ekintu kyasimanga it's more like pour out that thing but still eraja funa batono but if that pour out would work better nga abise face ng'omuntu ayogera abasinga tebaagala kukola ki naye kati ubanga most times abakyala abasinga bwayogera obulumi bufuluma nti ne bwenzijanga nyina kyempitamu with my husband ngamba naye bina nekaba munaye olaba wenviirawo mba ntowolokosa omutima okiraba so nga obulumi buli heaviness gyenze naye ebeekendeddeko kati abakyala baliringa n'abaami omwami tamukkiriza kubaako kyayogera tolina kyoyogera tolina kyogamba tolina kyokola ki okitegeera so that's the thing kati ate nekyala abantu banaagamba batya nze sikyali people pleaser ntambula nze sikyasanyusa muntu. I've ever been in a situation where I was going to find myself dead. I don't please people because these are the people that are going to come and bury you and after that they say senga yayogera
waliwo ku TikTok
okitegeera
omukazi nga neera ng'oli agamba gwose mutabani waffe nze sigenda kubikirira mutabani waffe neera yakomekinga suicide n'ayambuka waggulu emulago nakirya n'agwa bwe yali ali mu depression lwabufumbo nga musajja n'abasajja
actually abasajja bagoinga through silent depression naye abantu baba ignoringa kubanga buli muntu somehow when the marriage fails or has issues everyone says it's a man but most times it's even women that cause all that lwakubanti abakyala tulina ka favorable part nti oba buli muntu asympathizinga naawe kati kutwala mwami Mbule kati nga bwali omukambwe mwanda ash to people if anything happens bajaga oli abayina gamba oyo Bule nengo olusinze okiraba so bambi for them they don't have that space to come out and say nange mbadde nyigirizibwa mu nsonga bweti oba naye nako abko inagamba yekishe nnyo they people find it hard to kill themselves I mean easy.
So now making that wedding list wedding list now there is a time they said buli omwe yajja ku gundi gwa inviting wali oyina specific gundi gyokola ki
Bina it's okay Adal I really want to give credit to my husband that man married me.
What do you mean married you?
My contribution in that wedding was almost 10%. The 90% was his work done. Actually nze nawuliranga ku masimu olusinga kukuta ekyo jewa tekijja musanyusa. My heart melted. Mulimu ebintu kyega marriage is sacrifice. Kubanga yalina ne statement yakola on one YouTube channel nti ffe emikolo tugikolera abakyala kuba making us to feel secure and safe. But otherwise for us men moving nnyo, as long as I have you in the house I feel it's enough. Jakala just njagala muwe that protection for her to know that she's safe with me. That's all. Naye ng'omulira ku masimu nedda yali afunye twali tufunye wa juice owa bulijjo n'agamba kasikundoza kwe kumfunira wa fresh cut oba buli kimu ng'afa okulaba nti Joan, everything was Joan. Simanyi nti Joan kinamusanyusa. Joan tajja kyagala. It was never about him. It was never. Kati obuntu obwo nemba mufunye obutakkaanya bwe budda n'ogamba kale lyeyisiza bw'ati naye kituufu njagala. Because you remember, those are the things that you are attached to. Those memories come back. Ezo memories ezikeeping abantu mu bufumbo for long. Those little things count so much. Nti otuuka n'ogamba naye yadde kino weekiri n'ekituufu bwe nzijjukira kino na kino na kino omusajja ono butuufu anjagala. Okiraba. So obwo obuntu obwo bwe weekwata nkugambe everything was entirely about me. About me, selection of songs, band, what, me.
So you stressed out?
Actually ebintu ebisinga baali bakukuta with my metro. Si muganda wange, my friend mulamuzi lwakuba. Yes. Bali bakukuta nnyonnyo naye ngera bukase omuzaa ku simu kati ani n'avaawo nga tayagala baawulira biba stress mwaba batana bakumanya kati ani sagala bino Joan yabimanye kati ani nga babimaleeyo. Twakola launch emu naye ne launch nali nze yagimukaka
nga tayagala kola launch yadde.
Just in a WhatsApp group for biki naye yali tayagala meeting kubanga tayagala mulangira.
Nera yagala wasa omukyala nga tewali amugamba nti nyombo munnaye.
Because okay, he made a statement that to me made sense. It would be like nakwadde 15 jagamba yo twamwa sente z'embaka.
Ate batukesala Natalia. Oyo golaba twasonda ne boogera ebyokulya. Saliyo bina yali sima bina yaliya.
Bina watuuka sawa bina yatuuka tugenda mu kulya.
Tewalya.
Nabagamba nze kyali kindeese.
Yali alina okudduka for some other program.
Nze kyali kindeese.
Ku witness.
Ate Mukama n'ansaasira.
N'atuukira mukaddeko okugatta ku reception kennyini.
Bannaye mukadde kennyini ne ngamba Buula ali serious kiwedde.
Kwa Jenkins yayogera.
Jenkins.
Temwaba mmere.
Isn't there something kyewalabaawo munayintera nnyo okulaba interviews bagamba nti waliwo kino kyali kibulamu n'ogamba ono yatudisappointing.
Kati nze view y'embaga ekituufu oba gwe oli mugole waliwo by'oba tosobola kumanya. Nze view y'embaga najijja mu bantu after the function nentandika interview zange bannange kyali kikyamwalya Joan ekyokulya kiveeko emmere yamala buli muntu. Ebyokunywa kati tent y'abakasuku ye yalimu zi cocktails eza kali akantu kaabwe.
Kati Jenkins yali mu eyo tent.
Je yalimu bonna mwe baali ne mwami Sendi. Banga nabetako for changing gwe nabalabira abasinga.
This wedding is different. Eri endala omugole n'omukazi bakola embaga. Eyo n'omwami yagikola. Because it's supposed to be mwami. Naye wano
actually emikolo gyonna even introduction ebintu ebisinga byali ku introduction. Gabriel gave me the money. Wow. Introduction he contributed on my side like 70%. He contributed. I didn't have any meetings. He contributed like 70% at home. Era naye twamaliza introduction nga teri atubanja. Ate nga byonna byali ku short notice by the way.
Ekirala ekigezo kirala kyenjize bano abantu bano they say mbu batuuka ba pretendinga.
Bantu.
Like we need to first bino ebyokubeera ndoza tusooka tumale okulowoozaayo kotekeyo amagulu tumanyani gwe tutwala
sikitegedde
like embaga before you actually
you commit
before you commit musooke mubeereko mwembiriri you test the waters.
Of course n'ekirala kino ekyokubeerako mu bibiri naye tekirina nnyo kye kitaasa though because a person can pretend even for 10 years tekirina nnyo kye kitaasa by the way just nkubuulire bino ebintu bya nsi otunula me I considered a few things. Does this guy love me? Yes. Does this guy love my God? Yes. There's no day he has stopped me from fellowshipping. There's no day where I Joan Chino. Actually, when I said Joe, what saba nga mpulira sikyayagala agenda ku church naye nga akubeerako. There is no day oyo guy talya nyama. But actually my in-laws called me today nangamba mwami Bule atugulidde wano ekigere nagamba mukyala wange ayagala nnyo ekigere n'atukuya n'ennyama ne mubuuza naye talya any of them kati ye yeegulidde ki. He thinks about people before he thinks about himself. That guy is so selfless. That's one thing I think people gye babuusa amaaso ne baleka bapaalukira mu bino ebitali mu magezi. Actually not to me as a wife but to everyone around him. Nze mwami Bule.
As if we're talking about another Gabriel Bule. The Bule.
But that's the fact.
Wow.
That's the fact. Ajasoka nze kati kyenneeyigiriza sikyemalako ssente. Lwaki mujja beeraawo? Talina awaliwo abaana bambi abatabaja anko sirina transport, anko sirina kino, anko kino naye Bula swana okugaba omutwalo nga gwasigaza naguwaayo ye mubwongo ng'agamba nze nja funa naye nga tamanyi gy'agenda funa.
Mulaba engeri gye yalwanira abaana be Saudi nga tekuliko nagwo amanyi n'ogu.
Naye munnange most of those people have remembered him. Waliwo neyamukubira nako n'amugamba saba wanyambako n'amuterako miliyoni obeemu balinga ba mirundi 3 ssebo tonzijukira naye wanyambako nawulidde omukolo gwo kankuyambe ng'ate ab'amaanyi n'okubajuga tamanyi oba naye abayambira ludda wa.
Ate ngoba omanyi omuntu gwa amutegera like embaga oyagwa pina yayita kikiza nti yafukamira nagamulisigo yabadde bulo
kati nze just nyina ebintu byembasagala kugamba that guy news kati nze bino laba my clothes zenyambala oyo omusajja agenda nayimirira awantu n'agula engoye z'omukazi owuwe n'azireeta ewaka nze simanyi ate bw'azireeta ziba zintuuka. I don't remember when I last bought my own clothes and shoes. Actually, kungatta laba plugs za Twitter ezo n'agamba n'antagingamu n'agamba if my wife likes it mujigire nze nsasule oba mugidelivering ku Daily Monitor. That he buys clothes that I put on.
Then people also have issues never in-laws like bambi the challenges never in-laws. Kulabye ne ku Daniela naye having the same issue.
Naye nze olaba.
Bantu bakoze
yes. Togenda kulekerawo kulya nnyama kuba wasanze gwe batemyetemye. Me my role is to love. Gwe byonziriza gwomanyi. Kubanga labe family eno zino ze tufumbirirwa mba n'abantu kati bagenda kunzika mu family yaabwe. You cannot tell me tokwatagana nabo. Gwonsimira obunnya bw'otamanyi. Bano kati bennyina okusembeza actually on Saturday nabadde n'okuzza omuzige waka my husband's family bonna nga bali awo over 20 people. Netulya netuddamu ffe netuddamu embaga yaffe netulya buto because bwe mbanga mwe mutegeka embaga temulya bulungi. But all my in-laws came and we had that sweet nice time together because bano bengenda kati owangaala nabo oba babi oba balungi kati bange. Bwe mbanga nyina gye nali mbaddeko ba in-laws ne bampisabi that is their business with their God. Me I learned that language. I don't do revenge because there is nothing I'll get out of it. Nothing can ever stop me if I will not faint. That's Luna Bankola bwe bati once bitten twice shy. That is their story. and they will deal with that with their God. Nze bina njagala balamu bange bonna to the detail. Kino buli omu alina advantage ne disadvantage naye kati buli omu mmanyi strength ye. Ate nange si nti nno ndi mwangu nnyo, but they have learned to deal with me. Why